Hello, I'm Hugh McConaughey, Dairy Nutritionist for Zimpro Corporation, and today we're going to be discussing the importance of the timing of the movement of the cow into the maternity pen. Cows which go through the birthing process quicker have less complications during calving, have lower levels of stress and less problems in the early post-fresh period. The most important rule with regards to the timing of the movement of the cow to the maternity pen is that we shouldn't move cows between 2 and 7 days prior to calving. So to answer today's question, let's look at some specific examples focusing on what we regard as best practice. So in this example, dry group 1 cows are on stalls, dry group 2 cows are in a bedded pack. And here we have some different options. So the first option is that at the point of calving or less than 2 days before calving, we move the cows to the maternity pen. The second option is to leave the cows calve in the bedded pack area and then move them after calving. Another option with this design layout is to build a secluded area within the bedded pack area. Cows will move naturally to this secluded area in order to give birth. Cows which give birth in this area tend to give birth quicker, and both the calf and the dam become less stressed during the calving process. On many dairies, dry group 2 cows are housed in stalls, and in this situation we have 2 options in terms of moving cows to the maternity pen. The first option is that we operate a just-in-time system. This requires constant surveillance of the cows in the close-up pen and picking out those cows at the point of calving and moving them to the maternity pen to give birth. The second option is to build maternity pens next to the close-up pens, and cows spend 7 to 10 days in these pens prior to calving. In this situation, we need to build enough pens to accommodate the number of cows that will calve in the next 7 to 10 days. Because remember the rule, no moving cows between 2 and 7 days prior to calving. The final option I want to discuss is the use of 30-day stay pre-fresh pens. These consist of pens which accommodate in the region of 12 cows, and these cows remain together all the way to the point of giving birth. They are then moved on to the post-fresh pens. So to summarise, try to avoid moving cows to the maternity pen between 2 and 7 days prior to calving. This will help to reduce stress during the birthing process and result in cows which have a healthier transition and calves which have a greater chance of survival. Thank you very much for listening, and goodbye.